finally, ay dumating na ang Shopee ni Renren. Renren is going to unboxing her gift. Belated birthday gift na ito. Ano kayang laman?
This is my gift.
Okay, open ko ya.
Open, open. Open, open.
Okay.
I made it a little bit help.
What?
Yeah.
Kuha na karton ay.
Playing this. Yeah.
Okay. Almost there.
Oh, just touched it.
Allah.
We need a little bit.
Uh,
Oh, there we go. There we go. Ooh la la.
What's that? Whoa! What's that? Oh, ang kuya kay coming pod.
Dilish. Mut lang, mas mahal ako ulit on.
Wow, that's nice. Thank you, Jesus. Renren, come here.
Thank you, Lisa.
Wow.
Soto do rin.
Okay. Try.
Oh yeah, this.
Pero kung ilabtiin ka ng karton. Kaya hindi na ihipos.
Sige. I-watch natin kung paano
I
gamitin ni
know
Ren.
how to do this.
Oh, really?
I know how to play it. Oops.
That's nice. Iilaw ba siya?
Ooh. I need a chair.
Tignan natin kung marunong ba si Renren. Wow. Oh.
This is easy.
Oh. Alam mo pala kung paano mag...
Padapin dyan. Padapin sa.
Terno pa siya sa nina.
Sige, pasap siya. Padapin sa iya.
No,
Sila kaya?
Sige, go. Sige na.
Sige. Oh. Balo di siya de.
Kumano man siya.
Go back.
Hindi siya pwede tayo sa simbang kay Gilas and dito.
it's not slippery because the wheels are still new.
Sige
Oh,
na.
masiga!
Oh, sige, ito siya.
Ang siga siya?
Oh,
Ah,
see
okay.
that?
That's nice.
Basta may contribution.
Ooh, it was bumping into it. There's a blow up.
Okay.
Hindi ba?
It's still my wheels are not slippery yet. My wheels are not
What you
slippery.
can say?
It's very fits on. It fits.
pa ako. Haba pa ako.
Ang kuya. Oh! 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 Dinali na yung shoes kuya.
Haba pa ako, boy.
Yan, maguba na.
Hindi na yung boy.
I need a laser.
Sige, say thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus, for this gift.
God bless you.
And like and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Gawin.
Oh my God, it's slippery now.
Ang taas na yun.
So, God bless po.